Thanks for checking out the HDS182, the Bosch 18-volt EC Brushless half-inch compact tough hammer drill. And this is the tool itself, the HDS182. It's small and it's compact, and it includes the EC Brushless motor, which offers up to twice the motor life of a brush tool. The tool itself is very ergonomic, lightweight in your hands. It has a 2-speed offering, 0 to 500 RPMs and 0 to 1700 RPMs. Perfect for an array of applications, but it's even better is the fact that it's the most powerful in its class, so you can do things up as large as auger bits into wood, for example. Now the tool is a hammer drill, so it has 25,500 beats per minute in that function, and perfect for doing things on the lines of light concrete and masonry. The tool features a built-in light as well as a belt hook for quick and convenient storage. And one of the nice new features on it in particular, it has a 4x bit tip holder. So it comes with a magnetic bit tip holder, includes those different bit tips for doing all kinds of different things that you have to do for different types of screw heads and whatnot. The tool itself can be bought in an array of different ways. Most importantly though, it works with our flexible power system, either an 18-volt slim pack or 18-volt fat packs, all of our previous generation lithium-ion batteries, including the current generations. And you can buy the tool itself in different kits. You can get the tool by itself as a bare tool, as well as with slim packs, fat packs, or as part of a combo kit with other Bosch tools. And if you want to learn more about the Bosch tools, check out the complete line of Bosch 18-volt and 12-volt lithium-ion power tools.